All they know about is coercive methods, extreme methods, states of emergency as a policing tool. And we've seen that they have become so normalized that they almost have no impact. And certainly if you look at the crime statistics, since they came to office in 2016, the murder rate in the country has been at least 25% higher than the average when the PMP were in office.
The Westmoreland police have launched a search for a group of armed men who carried out a drive-by attack in the parish on Sunday, leaving 3 people wounded. The attack was committed at Morgan's Bridge in Burn Savannah. Investigators say about 9 a.m. a group of people was sitting under a tree when a motor car drove up and the occupants opened fire on them. The 3 victims were rushed to the hospital where they were admitted. Investigators say they recovered 26 pence casing from the crime scene. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said he has for now declined his salary increase amid widespread public backlash over the hikes approved for members of the political directorate. The Prime Minister's pay was due to jump by 214% from $9 million in 2021 to $29 million in April 2024. A business owner was gunned down Monday morning at his St. Andrew business establishment by an unknown assailant. The deceased has been identified as 62-year-old Amson Segree, principal of Discount Business Supplies located on Shortwood Road in the parish. According to a police report, about 9:46 a.m., Segree was inside his business establishment when a lone man disembarked from a white Honda Fit motorcar and entered the establishment. The man brandished a firearm and opened gunfire at Segree, hitting him in the upper body. The suspect then escaped in the waiting motorcar in the area. The police were summoned and a team from the Grand Spend police station rushed the now deceased to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was announced dead on arrival. An Ananda alert has been activated for 13-year-old David Bludgeon of Augustown, Kingston 7, who has been missing since Friday, May 19. He is of dark complexion, slim built, and is about 173 centimeters, 5 feet 8 inches tall. Reports from the Augustown police are that David was last seen about 9:30 a.m. He was dressed in a blue and white shirt, black pants, and a pair of black slippers. All efforts to locate him have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of David Bludgeon is asked to contact the Augustown police or the nearest police station.